a sober science of demonology.
Right.
And I think today we need that more than ever.
I think it's very important to organize your life so that you attract the light and keep the demons basically far away.
Yeah.
And it always shocks me how many people I know who freely open themselves and let in the demons, and they don't understand how dangerous it is.
Yeah. Well, they don't realize their reality.
It's real, right? It's real.
They don't take it seriously. You know that the church and the Jesuits are far better in that.
Right.
If you read the exercises of Ignatius of Loyola, you could see there is a certain demonology. They knew that there were demonic beings, those who trade themselves, so they take that seriously. But at the same time, they try to make people not believe in these things, and then they are manipulable.
Right.
You can manipulate them. So spiritual knowledge has to be spread in order to be fit for all these dangers.
Well, to me, part of culture is creating the power you need to manage that interaction with the interdimensional, so that you keep away the demonic and you attract in the light.
I could even think we can go further and say we keep them away not to be influenced, but we also have maybe the possibility to transform them. For example, there is a lecture again by Steiner about when we lie, we create demonic beings. We create them.
Right.
So as we create them, we have the task to metamorph, to transform them.
Right.
And he doesn't give specifically the answer. I always ask me, what is a transformation of a liar being? And, you know, I didn't come further than thinking, maybe this has to do something with fancy and imagination. Take the fact that good liars, if there are good liars, have a lot of imagination.
Right.
But if the imagination is not related to real things in the world, but maybe to art, poetry, then it's a good thing.
Right.
So maybe we should also have the aspect not to keep things out, because that's a bit what at the time of Christ the Essenes did. They kept things out. And when the Christ was going to the Essenes, he could see they are protected from the demons. They could keep them out, but what would the demons do? They were all the more attacking the rest of the population.
Right.
So that's only one step, to keep them out, and the next step would be to transform them, even to help beings. But that's of course a huge subject.
Right.
That's Manichaeism, if you like, to transform evil into a higher good.